Hello everybody, I'm Becca Hall and I am an illustrator here in Cornwall. You may have been following me, subscribed to this channel for a while, or you may have just stumbled across this video on your Explore feed. But either one, hello. I wanted to come on because I wanted to chat a little bit about my Patreon. I've had my Patreon for 5 years, but from the 1st of January 2026, I'm making some really exciting changes that I just wanted to share with you guys. So I will pop links and everything below to my Patreon, but I thought I'd just walk you through what I'm doing. And if it's something that you feel you love the sound of, then go and check it out. So for the last 5 years, my Patreon has been 3 separate tiers, and the first one being all about how to draw tutorials and step-by-step tutorials and things like that. And then the next one was more about kind of advanced illustration, and then we've got the professional practice and children's book tier. But they've started to feel a little bit mechanical and very kind of set in their ways, and they don't feel like there's much room for kind of change or growth. And I wanted to change them up a bit, mix things up so that you can choose a tier that fits most for where you are on your creative journey, but have something that you can use to mold your work around and to help you grow and things, rather than just following step-by-step tutorials. So the first tier is called the Lighthouse Library, and that is going to replace the Drawing Club tier. So it's staying at £6 and it's becoming an archive tier where you can just dip in and out at your own pace and enjoy the last 5 years worth of tutorials and resources on there. So if you're wanting just to sit down, follow a nice tutorial and create a page of illustrations, that one is for you. It's not going to be updated regularly, so it's not like currently where each month I produce a new video. It's more there for you just to enjoy with the occasional new video in, but otherwise just make the most out of that archive. It's perfect for if you have a really busy life and you struggle to keep up with monthly prompts or new videos, and you just want something that's safe and secure and something comforting that you know you can just go and enjoy when you get that spare half hour or an hour. So the next tier is replacing the advanced illustration tier that I have on there currently. It's sticking at £9, but it's becoming the Sketchbook Club. And I'm really excited about this tier because it's all about just play and enjoying illustrating and trying new things together. So each month I will share a prompt or challenge, which I will do too, and I'll record it and share it with you guys, and I'll talk you through it of how I'm tackling that particular theme. And I'll be doing it in my sketchbook. It's all about just experimenting, playing and figuring out new things rather than kind of the 1, 2, 3 tutorials. So hopefully you will enjoy being able to experiment for yourself, as well as finding out, how other people illustrate too. So this tier isn't just the monthly prompt, it's also Zooms, so you'll be invited along to any live Zooms. You'll get access to all of the how to draw tutorials in the Lighthouse Library. You'll also have reference packs, inspiration packs, and loads of other things that I will list more below that I'm really excited about, to just kind of give this lovely, homely, comforting corner of Patreon where you can just play with no pressure, no expectation to make things perfect, just find the joy in illustrating. You will also gain access to our 2026 year-long mini project. I've been doing these on Patreon for the last 2 years and I really, really loved it, and I can't wait to share with you what we're doing for 2026 as our mini project, because I think it's going to be a good one. And finally, the children's book and professional practice tier is growing and evolving into something bigger and better. It's sticking at the same price of £15 and it's becoming the Harbour Studio Collective. And this is all about kind of stepping into the studio with me. So here I will be sharing the deeper side of illustration, all about behind my children's book work, my professional practice, deeper dives into sketchbook work and other commissioned work that I'm doing, how I work with agents and publishers, honest chats about balancing creative work and life, as well as all of the things on the below tiers, including the zooms and the archive and everything like that. I'll also be doing all of my drawing on location videos on this tier, Q&As. I'm going to introduce new things like studio drop-ins where you can virtually come into the studio with me and we can work alongside each other. I'll be giving you studio tours and illustration briefs just like the ones I get from my agents. I'll be doing resource roundups and studio letters where I chat to you about life in the studio and things that I've found have inspired me that month or that quarter, and how I've kind of managed to balance self-care and work, and notes about kind of pacing your creative life alongside the rush of everyday life. I'll also be doing Mood Board Mondays, which I'm really excited about, where I give you photos or links or textures, colour palettes, anything like that that have inspired me over the weekend, ready for the week ahead. I really wanted to make this Patreon feel easy to navigate and warm and comforting, and a place where you can join wherever you are on your creative journey and find that place for you to grow and evolve into the illustrator you'd love to be, whether it's for a hobby or for a career. And by focusing on the two main tiers, I can put more of my energy and love into them, so that hopefully you're getting higher quality, more intentional content rather than me just trying to juggle everything at once. And I just hope that you are as excited as me for this new journey in 2026, and I hope you can join me for it. If you would love to be part of this Patreon and this creative journey, whether it's for tutorials, sketchbook prompts and challenges, or deeper dives into illustration life, I would love for you to come and join me on Patreon. I will link everything below, and I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.